Alright, top of the morning, I'm back. So, basically, today is finals day. So, everybody is just working on their finals and finishing up the last little stuff we gotta do. So, ain't nothing too crazy. Tomorrow's electrical. And yeah, we got two parts to the final. One is hands-on, one is on the computer. So, some people is over there working on their hands-on part. But yeah, tomorrow's electrical. Whew. It was supposed to snow yesterday, it didn't snow.
Yo, Mo, where you at?
Yo! Oh! Yo, Tiger, slow down.
You spotted my proper car. Where's my main shit? Yeah, the Bentley.
Nigga.
My shit wasn't lacking. Yeah, there we go. In the burgundy red rose gold Bentley.
Alright, wait for me. Where you at?
That's the thing. I don't know if you're ahead of me or behind me.
You're ahead of me. Yo, shit keeps hitting me, man.
You're ahead of me. You're right here.
What?
Look at my screen.
Let me scroll out, cause yeah, this ain't gonna work.
And also, you're at nighttime, bro.
How I turn on daytime?
O2 sensor.
What y'all cooking up?
Yeah, you know. One on some O2 sensor. Right there behind the wheel. Right above, right behind the shield.
Fuck y'all got going on?
For the shield back.
Cut myself because I hit the strut. What's poppin'? I hit the strut. What up, guy? This shit coming.
Fuck y'all doing?
Touching the cat and it's hot.
Oh, two sensor. Got you.
Look at that Ryo.
I know, right?
That was good.
It's good.
That's what I started losing a little bit.
What's good?
A little bit. I got somewhere. And it's
Damn, what the fuck going on? Are we gonna get a dip mix?
Oh, what the fuck is going on?
What's going on, man?
Who the fuck tapping me for a second?
I was like,
Hey, I'll be careful in my shop, man. What's with these guys? It's an automotive shop.
back. Oh, they're electrical?
Yeah. Got the black shirt.
Oh, right.
By the way.
These guys is up, man.
They on the actual shirt for the summertime. Yeah, during the summer I'm gonna wear actual just you know, the button up. Yeah, my
Yeah. I'm gonna get.
It's on one of these.
I'm gonna get the collar shirt.
Yeah, my shit is on one of these.
A word?
Yeah, on the jacket. But I was like,
To the dealership when they get cold.
that's cool.
Yo, RT5, the reverse gear is still in there, right?
Oh, there you go. Look, you right there.
RT5, the reverse gear is still in there or no?
I don't know. I never touched that shit.
Okay? You should talk shit, okay? Never how to do it. Go on my hand first.
Damn.
I believe that, well, not I believe. You keep on Friday, right? Here's one.
$10,000 a year out of my freaking.
Yo, you're hacking. Stop hacking, bro. This man's using his hands.
someone timing him?
Yes. Yup.
Not that one.
Yeah, we all have to do this.
Looks like the one.
It's part of the fight.
Yo, put the ice out there.
Hmm?
Put the ice out there.
And then fully rebuild. Got this. I got faith in you, man. Finger it, bro.
I did it one time and I coached him one time.
Finger it. I knew it. I knew it. Finger it. There you go. You got it. Come on. You got the technique down. Yo, look at this hungry motherfucker. So you got something for me, right? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, all right. Oh, look.
13 seconds. Yo, you know what I was saying? Let all the dumb people do it first so they could get it out the way.
Fuck no.
Then you could do it.
I want to just get mine out the way. Then you have to do whatever the fuck you want.
No, bro. I swear to God.
I'm after
Every
my
time
boy.
Kyrie gets near me, bro, I start losing brain cells.
I don't know about nothing.
Like, he's standing right behind me. And I'm just trying to, like, I'm locked in, but I could feel this nigga looking at me. I could feel him looking at me, bro. I could feel him. I could feel him. It's just throwing me off, and I'm like, bro, am I getting something? Am I not getting something?
See, what you want to do is you want to pull the pen out, okay?
Don't drop the pin.
Do not drop that pen.
Finger it.
I want to see him. Please, nobody help me.
I'm not gonna help him. I want to see Kyber do that. No, yeah, Kyber. Nobody help Kyber. So he gotta go last.
I was gonna take a whole hour.
Hey yo,
Oh no, I dropped the pin.
loose cushy, loose cushy, loose cushy.
Alright, push it and pull up.
Push it.
Wait.
Push it.
Wait.
Push it. Push it, motherfucker.
No, don't pull it.
Push it.
Wait.
Pull the fucking dick.
Wait.
Now take the whole thing.
Wait.
Good job.
Wait.
Wow. Take it apart.
Leave my butt. Shut up.
Rubber, bro. That's the rubber.
Roll 7.
It's a good thing no one first.
Whose fault is that? I did it without even looking. Right? You saw that, right?
That's called experience, right? You can get it without looking. Most of us
Yes, and I can get it in the hole without putting hair. There's a whole lot of Easy. Easy. Hold on. Let me see this. Give me a second. Since you already failed. See what? See? like this, right?
Right.
And it's, you guys are all like,
I could literally do that
No,
too.
you do it slow. You do it slow.
I could do it too, because I literally taught this nigga. I literally taught him how to do it.
I figured out how to do it.
I figured out how to do it.
I figured it out how to do it.
yes, but. Oh my god.
Your time is still going.
Bro, this nigga's just gonna keep
I
yapping.
already told him he failed.
Oh damn.
What do I do now?
Oh, you failed. Oh.
No, we're still gonna get it stopped. No,
No, you still
I'm not gonna touch it. I failed, I'm not gonna touch
get
it.
it together.
I failed, I'm not gonna touch it. He said I failed. He said I failed it. I'm not gonna touch it. He said I failed it. Yeah, me, cause my friends,
I think it's in fear of
all my friends,
pretty much all my friends like the band actually just stays here in the middle.
no, we talk in our native language, me and our friends, so we troll each other like that. We start speaking English like that to troll.
Alright. Rotate him.
And then I realized how.
Can you tell us what
Sign the slide for me, bro.
they dropped the retro class? Why didn't you tell
No, stop.
I want to know every
Fuck, yo, somebody use their phone light, please. Thank you, Kyber.
the yellow wheels about to drop off.
Yo, push the axle in.
No, those fours dropping next year.
It's not fucking going in, bro.
You want me to put hair around the hole?
Push it in.
No, but usually we get them in advance. Yeah,
No! Wait.
2 months in advance, so they usually send us back. I can't see you guys like outside the street.
You know what's actually funny?
What do you wear?
Wally, you know where?
I wear scrubs.
I was so like, I didn't know.
Alright, push it through.
Let's push through.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Now it is. Alright, pull it back. Alright, Joni. Please.
That's what I wear, sweatpants.
I feel like I could get fours. I feel like I could get fours. I really feel like I could get fours.
Okay, hold on.
I feel like if I really do it, I can get to 11.
That's fire.
11 or 10.
Fuck.
Pockets though.
Bro, what the actual fuck? No, shine the light in there, guys.
Get a tattoo there, bro. That should be fire.
Where the fuck did that shit go?
Get a tattoo. Where the fuck that shit go?
No way.
When I redo it,
Alright, pull it. Fuck. No. Wait, push it back up. Okay, thank you. Now pull it in. Now. Perfect.